like I'm bad.
So is this a
Why is he taking a picture of us?
But hold on, Joseph, can you just tell me one thing? Is this okay, or is this something
This is
worried
like
about?
normal. I do this all.
Oh my God.
I do it all the time.
I have been out with you a million times and I've never seen you do this.
What?
Oh my God.
Why are you like videotaping that shit?
Should I get us a cab? Just tell me this. I will buy you a cab home right now and like.
No, calm down.
I'm
Shut
very
the hell
concerned
up.
about you because I don't know, what are you doing? You're like, what is this weird?
Calm down.
Oh yeah, I should calm down. Maybe you should calm down because you're doing this weird pickup thing and I've never seen you do it and I've been out with you. Oh my God! I don't know what to do.
Let's go.
Okay, let's do 30 seconds.
Stop.
Let's do 30 seconds.
Breathe.
Yeah, everyone. What is going on right now? Oh my God. Is this the thing that normally happens? Oh my God, are you breathing? Oh my God, what?